Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to find the chi-square values and how to get the confidence interval for variance or standard deviation. First, let's look at this example to find the chi-square values corresponding to a 95% level of confidence. And the sample size is 22. So what you need is, if you look at the picture here, you can see that you want to say what is this chi-square value corresponding to a left area equal to 0.025, and another one is what is a chi-square value corresponding to the right area equal to 0.025. So what you do is go to Stat, Calculators, and chi-square. So degree of freedom is 21, and you want, say first, the left area, so you choose less or equal to, and you have this one equal to 0.025. Oops, sorry. Yes, 0.025. And you can see that is 10.283. Okay, yeah, I think that's correct. And another one is the right area to be the same thing, 0.025. And if you click compute, you can see that this chi-square value to be here. So it's 35.479 if you round to 3 decimal place. Another way to get this is choose this between. And you can select the between would be the probability between two values to be 0.95. Okay, in this case. So it will give you the left and the right chi-square score immediately. Okay. So that's number one. Another one is, then I want to show you how to get the confidence interval for a given question. So still the same question. If we know the standard deviation to be 14.3, will be a 95% confidence interval of your sigma. Okay. So for this one, if you go to, okay, let me first show you the, oh no, sorry. So we go to Stat, Variance Stats. One thing is they don't really have the standard deviation stats, so you really have to go to the variance stats. So it's one sample with summary. So you need to provide the sample variance. But what you are given is the sample standard deviation. So what you really need to do is to square that sample standard deviation. So for this one, you need to square this 14.3, which is, if you square that, it will give you a 204.49. Okay, and the sample size is 22. You use the confidence interval for sigma squared, and the level is 0.95. And if you click compute, you will get the confidence interval shown as this lower limit to the upper limit. Again, this is the confidence interval for sigma squared. In order to get the confidence interval for sigma, you need to take square root for each of them. For example, the lower limit, you need to say take square root of this one. Okay, So if you copy, you go to data, compute, expression. This is like a calculator. So want to take square root. So it's SQRT of this value. You put this value in a bracket. If you compute, this is shown as a new column here. So it's 11.0 if you round to one decimal place. So this is the lower limit for your confidence interval of sigma. Similarly, you can do square root for the upper limit. And those two will give you the confidence interval for the sigma. Okay?